Hi, I'm Dr. Caroline Leaf. In this video blog, we're going to be talking more about the anatomy of thought, how thoughts actually form. Information comes in from the outside through the five senses. The five senses are your contact between the external world and the internal world of your mind. As the information comes in through your brain, it passes through 100 different structures in your brain, through major physiological processes, and the result is that you actually have genetic expression happening, which means proteins are made and you grow branches. So all day long this is happening at 400 billion actions per second. Your brain is working hard all the time as you are thinking, choosing and building. So you are constantly changing and redesigning the architecture of your brain. So every thought that you build is actually changing the structure of your brain and impacting on the health of your body. You see, thoughts are the connection between the mind and the body. As you think, then it's going to build in your brain and going to impact your body. Scientists have found that we are wired or designed to build healthy thoughts. So we look at our green tree over here. This is symbolic of a healthy thought. This is the natural wiring of the brain. As we receive information from the outside through the five senses and it passes through that process and chemicals are released and electrical chemical reactions happen and genetic expression and all this fancy stuff that's happening, the result will be that you grow thoughts. All of that is designed in a positive direction. But because we have free will, because we think and choose, because we can think and choose, we sometimes make bad choices. And when we choose to operate in maybe anger or frustration or bitterness or toxic things, we actually still wire that into the brain, but we wire it in as a toxic thought. And a toxic thought is an unnatural design, but it still wires in because your brain is neuroplastic. That means neuro means brain, plastic means can change. Your brain is constantly changing, wiring and growing all the time. So if it's good or bad, you still wire it in. And this is a toxic thought, and toxic thoughts cause toxic bodies. 87 to 95% of current mental, physical, emotional, behavioral problems today come from our thought life.